All right, y'all. So you already know what time it is. It's an easy $150 off of Dlivrd. I got 3 bags in the back seat right now that I just picked up from Lil B, and I'm currently sitting outside of the Empire State Building waiting for my customer to come down and meet me to retrieve the food. So let's get out here and let's go drop off this food and collect our $150. You already know, man. Easy money. Take care. Enjoy the food. See? Just like that, we collect our $150. Have my customers come down to meet me. There they go with the food. And we out of here. Let's go. You on the road with your boy Ramrican. All right, time to go pick up order number 2. Let's go. All right, just got order number 2 from Just Salad. Dropping it off to ADP, 2 minutes down the road. Let's go. And just like that, we dropped that one off for ADP. That was $35 on Dlivrd. Our total for the day, $185 in less than an hour. All right, y'all. So as I was getting in my car, Dlivrd just sent me another job for the day for a pickup at 11 o'clock. It's 11:19 right now, so they already know that I'm behind schedule, only for the simple fact that the pickup time was scheduled before I already was sent this job. So Dlivrd just sent us another job, another $50 added to our plate. We're on our way, 30 minutes to the pickup. Let's go get this money. So we had order number 3 on the board for another $50 off of Dlivrd. I got to the pickup location. The restaurant called and confirmed with Fuda that they had made an error by putting that order out, and that it was canceled. For me to take a picture of the restaurant and confirm everything as if I had completed the order, and I would be compensated. So that one was paid $50, and just like that, I made $235 for my day. I came out at 9:30. My first pickup was at 10:15, and it's already 11:30. I'm going home. $235 in 2 hours. Thank you, Dlivrd. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace.